This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Tony Miller. Lakefront, living less than a mile south of UF medical complexes. This spacious unit is carpet-free with thyme and newer wood laminate flooring. The kitchen has granite countertops and stainless appliances. The very large Florida room overlooking the lake has both screen and sliding doors for year-round comfort. Additionally, each bedroom opens onto a screened balcony on the front side of the unit. A one-car garage with storage is included. Amenities include pool, clubhouse, fishing dock and gorgeous sunsets. Association fees include your water and wastewater services. For more information, review the details below.